The birth of a cosmic marvel. In the vast and endless expanse of the cosmos, where stars blink and galaxies dance, a tiny yet extraordinary planet begins to emerge. Forged from the swirling, shimmering dust of long-forgotten stars, this newborn world is a masterpiece of celestial artistry. Untouched and bursting with potential, it stands as a beacon of cosmic hope, its formation a testament to the universe's relentless creativity. As time flows ceaselessly, the planet transforms. Rivers, carved by unseen hands, weave intricate tales into the land. Alien vegetation of radiant blues, silvers, and fiery oranges stretches boldly toward foreign skies, painting a landscape like no other. It is the dawn of an untold story, a cradle for possibilities where life stirs, waiting to awaken, a new chapter in the infinite galactic odyssey. The rise of a golden era. In a distant past, life was a fight for survival. Primitive creatures, driven by instinct, crafted tools from stone and sparks from fire. These early steps became the foundation for something far greater, the birth of ingenuity, civilization, and the boundless pursuit of progress. Centuries passed, and beings once bound to the soil rose to unimaginable heights. Vast cities floated above luminous oceans, powered by energy sources rivaling the stars. Light itself became their lifeblood, a force unimaginable to their ancestors. Harmony flourished, marking a golden age of peace, prosperity, and innovation. Yet, perfection often conceals its own fragility. Beneath the shimmering glow of this utopia, whispers rise in the shadows. Ancient truths, uncharted realms beyond the edges of their light, and a mystery more profound than their finest minds could grasp threaten to shatter their golden age. As this luminous civilization nears the pinnacle of its existence, the question lingers, will they transcend the unknown, or succumb to it? Beyond the glimmers of progress lies a choice, a future to shape or a downfall to avoid. Truth awaits, daring humanity to act before the light fades. The future is closer than you think, ready to be forged or lost forever. Embrace the whispers of mystery. Uncover the secrets that could redefine tomorrow's destiny. Will you step into the light and confront what lies beyond? Your call to the future begins now. Watch, wonder, and shape it. When unity fails, the rise and fall of an advanced civilization. Imagine a society where unity fuels innovation and breathtaking cities stand as symbols of peace. This civilization thrived for centuries, preserving balance with the planet's energy. But what happens when harmony shatters and ambition takes control? As centuries passed, unity gave way to greed. Factions fought to dominate the planet's limited energy supply. War erupted, leaving cities in ruins and landscapes barren. The thriving world, once alive with light, plunged into darkness, stripped of its vital life source. This is a story of ambition gone awry. The relentless hunger for control destroyed more than resources, it tore apart the very essence of a society built on cooperation. The lesson is stark: technological achievement means nothing without the wisdom to sustain it. Could such a broken world ever find redemption? Could humanity rise from the ashes, uniting once more to restore life and rebuild? Perhaps their story isn't over, and the future holds a chance for renewal if they can overcome their past. The fate of this civilization invites us to reflect on our own. How far would we go for power, and would we lose ourselves in the process? Share your thoughts or your sci-fi theories below. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating speculative worlds. The cycle of cosmic renewal, from ruin to rebirth. What happens when a world ends? For the civilization of Zelarian, the answer was extinction. As their ruins scattered across the stars, the universe responded. In the silent depths of space, something extraordinary occurred. A new planet emerged, teeming with potential and waiting to be shaped. Far beyond celestial debris, this young planet forms, its surface a blank slate. Elements collide, atmospheres stabilize, and life-supporting conditions gently unfold. This is creation at its most raw and beautiful, a chance for something better, cleaner, a beginning where mistakes need not be repeated. This isn't just nature's rebirth, it's humanity's opportunity. What could we build on this untouched world? The collapse of Zelarian teaches us that every ending sparks a new story. This is a fresh stage for explorers, dreamers, and visionaries to craft a story worthy of the stars. Will you stand by or join this cosmic renaissance? Imagine the possibilities, the discoveries, the responsibility of shaping the future. A new world awaits your vision. Follow us to explore the journey from ruin to renewal and be part of the frontier that redefines humanity's legacy.